Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And guess where we are? Oh, it's so bright out here. Guess where we are? Walmart. Y'all, I swear, how many shopping vlogs are we gonna have at Walmart during Vlogmas? I don't know. But I promise y'all, this is the last time I'm coming here, okay? But we started setting stuff up yesterday and then noticed that we needed a few more things. So that is why we're back today, because we're gonna finish decorating today. So yeah, we're going to Walmart and we also need a few other random miscellaneous things. So let's go. So I have some curtains that go with my Christmas decor. This way? Yeah. So we gotta get a curtain rod and some command hooks and stuff. We forgot to get that yesterday. So. Oh man, see? I didn't even do this right.
You're gonna need a big one, that's at least. I would say. No, you need one that's up close to 100 and something.
Oh my gosh, look at these. The little.
Yeah, you need one. How long is that one go?
30 to 84 inches. Here's the rods. Cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
With little, I don't know, can y'all see that? I think they can see it. Little crystals on the end. We'll show them to you later. So we are headed to the Christmas section. Just need to get some.
You need to get an extension cord. Small light.
Okay. So lights.
That's in the same section as the command.
Extension cord. Where did I get those lights from? Wasn't it like right here? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Why is all the purple ones gone from right here? This was full yesterday. Is this like the last one? It's just 50. You said 50 should be good, right? For the.
For with the what we putting?
Ooh, what? I'm about to get these too.
What that is?
LED lights that sync to your music. I'm gonna put this on the bar first and then I'm gonna put the purple lights on there. Yes. Is this gonna be long enough? Just one? 100 lights, 32 feet, 8 inches.
It says 100, huh?
32 feet, that's a lot, ain't it?
32 feet. 32 feet? Yeah, that's a lot.
Oh, I need to get some batteries. So I need to get AA and AAA batteries too. Okay. Okay. Cool. I cannot believe that. There's no more purple lights up here. What? Oh no, here's a box. So do I need 50 or 100?
I don't know.
That 100 is kind of long though if we're just doing it for the bar, huh?
Yeah, because it went all the way across the other table and into the bathroom.
Yeah, we'll just do the 50. All right, we changed our mind. We're gonna do the 100. We don't know how we're gonna set it up for sure, so I'm gonna just get 100 to be safe. And they're already like running out. Like I don't see any more purple ones. I just found that one hiding back there, so we're gonna do the 100 real quick. Can't wait for these two. Built-in mic automatically detects sound and syncs to your music. Stop playing. Looking for an airbed for my house just because I don't have one. Oh my gosh, they have earbuds for $9. That's crazy. For a twin. So the flat ones are not super expensive, huh?
No, it's the double one.
Which one do I want? The raised one, right?
You need one somebody you're comfortable.
I know. I'm like, I want to give you.
Or you could get a queen. A full is big enough though. Like,
oh, this is a full. Oh, so the queen is 38. I think a full is good.
Do you have a top in there?
I probably want to get a pillow or something.
What?
Don't forget a pump. It doesn't have a pump. I know the one that comes with a pump. Those are like $100. So might as well just spend money and get a pump.
Yeah. That's right.
What about this one? No, battery operated. Y'all got me messed up. They don't got no pumps that plug into the wall? Oh. Electric pump. Yeah. How much is that? Is that this one? $15.
What is that?
We need a base connection.
That's the only one they got. Ooh. I don't like that I keep seeing stuff that I want. I want that. Yeah. I would like that.
Oh, that's to go on the air spot. I mean the airbed.
It can, but I just
You got
want it.
sheets to put on the airbed and
No.
the pillows and stuff.
No, that's why I didn't get a pillow.
Oh.
Oh, I think sheets are that way though.
Yeah, I always just get like a fitted sheet and then a blanket.
Yeah. Oh no, these is pillowcases. Wait, what? I'm not in the right section. No. No. What's this? You see the vibe? You see me. You see the vibes here. Okay, I'm gonna get pillows and then I'm done with this. Done with this. Drew, this is all for you, but we needed it anyway, cause where's the pillows at? Wait, what? I saw some pillows at the end of one of these things. Oh, right here. Command hooks so we can hang up the curtains. Oh, I think these are the ones. I like these. Yeah. $7.88. How that look? Yeah. It match. Gotta get an extension cord as well for the lights. Oh, extension cord is this one? Got everything we needed. Had to get some bowls for lip gloss too, y'all. Listen. Stocked. Oh, okay. Stocked on up. Okay. Ooh.
What is going on? Look at that.
Is that in the middle?
Looks pretty in the middle.
Alright, so like which way is the top? That's not it. That's not it.
That may be it.
Why?
But it doesn't look like the middle.
Why does it look all?
Oh, maybe it goes like that.
It goes like that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it? Is it gonna stay?
I hope so.
Oh, it's still there.
Oh, season's greetings.
Oh, is this gonna work?
Oh.
Oh. It's gonna work.
What does that one say?
La 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 la. It's the season to be jolly. Ba la 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 la.
That is ridiculous. Oh, and it closes. Look at that.
Did it close?
Oh, hell.
There we go. Oh, that's cute. I like that one better than the other one.
Oh my goodness.